Hello everyone and welcome to a video I am so excited about. I've been waiting for this. Oh, you can actually see it through the bag in this light. This I've been waiting for the best part of a year. So if you can't tell by the title already, it's the iPad Pro 2018. How beautiful is that in the ring light like that? It's just gorgeous. And also the Apple Pencil 2. So the reason I got this iPad, I am a part-time student with the Open University and I can find it really difficult to actually sit down and write on a piece of paper sometimes. Like that's just hard for me. Just as well as changing like to kind of paperless to be more environmentally friendly, stuff like that. It just makes sense for kind of the future, and it's something I've wanted for a really long time, like I've said at the start of this video. I think it'd make a real difference just being able to like see your notes and then it's just there all in one place. No more rifling through paper and textbooks. I really don't need textbooks, they're all online anyway, so what's the point? I also got rid of my graphics tablet, the Wacom Intuos Pro, recently, so that we could build our PC. This is kind of like, I can still have that graphics tablet, but I can also study with it. And as well, I really like to watch. I don't know if anyone else has this problem, right? Our bed is like kind of straight on to our TV, and when I sleep, when I'm in bed, I like to go on my left hand side, which is facing the wall. Now this means I can't watch TV in bed because then I have to like turn my neck around, like really weird, and this is like so first world problems. But with the iPad I could just like, what I'm planning on doing is it's just like a picture ledge from IKEA. I'm sticking that on the wall opposite the bed so I can sit my iPad on there and I can watch TV comfortably on my side. It's so ridiculous. I just feel like I'm like constantly trying to see the screen, and because I wear glasses and contacts as well, I don't see very well long distance, so if I'm like this, like trying to watch the subtitles, I know it's no good, but I'm in bed, I'm gonna fall asleep. I'm not gonna put my glasses on and fall asleep. I'm on. Although I have done that on many occasions. If it's right next to me, then you know, I'm not going to be struggling so much to see. There's a variety of different reasons really. I'm just talking myself into it. The girl at the Apple store was so nice. She was so excited for the new ones as well, and she's like, oh my gosh, look what you can do. We don't have the proper apps on it yet, but look at this, and look, tap the pencil and stuff. But we'll get into that, okay? We'll show you. It's pretty amazing. I wouldn't say revolutionary, but oh my goodness, why have I never had this before kind of moment, even though I haven't even opened it yet. So let's dive right in, open these two beautiful products, and we'll go through and talk about some of the specs maybe during the video and just kind of after it. Okay, hopefully you can see that okay. I know it's a little bit shiny on the plastic coating, but we'll be taking this off right now. So I love how they put these pulley tabs. Oh, that's so much easier. I thought it was like the iPhone, but it's not. It's just the normal cellophane. So I went for the 256 model in the silver for a change. I do have pretty much everything else I have that's Apple is pretty much space grey and has been for a long time, so I thought a little bit of a change wouldn't do any harm. So yeah, there we go. That's the box, and let's just try. Hope that's the right way up. Yeah, it looks like it's the right way up, so that when I open it, it won't be upside down for you guys. This is proving challenging. Yeah, so I went for the 256 model. I kind of toyed with getting the 512, but in all honesty, it has a feature on it, the lightning, not the lightning, the USB-C connector, which means you can add kind of external memory or transfer to external memory, which is kind of a big deal for Apple products. So sorry, I'm not doing this for suspense, but there we go. Oh my goodness. There we go. Little tab. Oh my gosh. Look how thin it is. Holy. That's just seriously incredible. How can something so amazing be so thin? We'll go through the box first, we'll leave the best to last. So we've got a little designed in California, designed by Apple in California. So inside this little thing here we have a little iPad Pro quick start guide. It's like that. A little safety thing and some stickers, because we all love the stickers. So one thing that's very different about this iPad is this little cable here. So you'll see it's not your standard lightning cable, it is a USB-C cable to USB-C. And what this means is, with this iPad you can connect your devices, so like your phone, you can charge your phone through it. You can plug in what I would say an external hard drive, I'm not too sure on formats and stuff like that. You can also plug in, for example, if you had like a camera or something, you could plug it straight into the actual iPad and bring your data off it, which is amazing. Here we have, I think these are supposed to be smaller chargers. It looks quite compact actually. Hey, mine's just got a mark on, oh no, it's just pink fluff. Probably from the factory or something. Looks like that. So this is a, oh, did you see that? It's very transformery, I love it. This is an 18-watt USB-C power adapter. Yeah, I really like it. I think that's so nifty. I wish they would do them all like that. I'll plug that on. I have a problem though. Can I plug that into my Mac? No, I can't. I can't plug it into the Mac. I need to find some sort of adapter or buy a cable or something to... Damn it. Anything else in the box? Nope, that's it. Ooh, did you see that? It's like... Better not do that. Now we're on to the real good stuff. Peel the backing off it. The camera bumper's massive. I'm sorry, this desk is like really wobbly. It's just a little kind of fold away one. Turn it around so you can see it properly. It's so pretty. I wasn't actually too impressed with the choice of cases in the Apple store. They only had black or white. I like a coloured case, so I've ordered just a folio from Amazon and that should be fine. So there we go, fingerprints on the screen. Look at the blue tinge that ring light gives it. It must be a special type of screen, but we'll go into the details pretty soon. Oh, there we go. Should actually probably turn that ring light off. I'll try to turn it off and see. Ooh, what happens. Oh dear lord, that lighting is terrible, but whatever. We'll run with it. We're only setting it up. Swipe up to open. English. United Kingdom. If you have an iPhone, bring it nearby. Okay. Hold your new iPad up to the camera. So enter your passcode of your iPhone. God, what's the password? It may take a while to activate your iPad. Okay, I need to set this up. So what happens with the Face ID is it just scans your face twice, so you just move your head in a circle and then it's done. So no home button, obviously, like I said. So yeah, you're gonna need that Face ID or input your passcode every time, which, let's be really honest, no one wants to do that. They don't have an old iPad, so nifty that you can set it up from your phone and stuff. So let's just sign our lives away. Yeah, sure. Apple Pay I don't use, so it's just dangerous. We'll set it up later if we want to. Siri, yep, we'll continue with Siri. We'll share the analytics with the developers and Apple. True tone display. iPad automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make colours appear consistent in different environments. Sure. Go home. Quick access to the dock, you just swipe up. Switch between recent apps just like you do on the newer iPhones. Quickly access controls, again pull down, same as the new iPhones. And welcome to iPad. Swipe up. There we go. I'll leave this to side for now and we'll unbox the Apple Pencil. Here is a Apple Pencil 2nd gen. Again, just kind of, that one's a bit tougher. Yeah, one's a little bit different. Just slide that open. Designed by Apple in California. I'm so bad in American accents. And there we go. I thought it actually had engraving on it, but it just says Apple Inc. 1 Apple Parkway, Cupertino, California. So we'll take that off. You will notice, again, a difference. There's no end little thingy to come off. We'll have a look what's in the rest of the box first. It's just some safety warnings and warranty documents. And then I think it's a quick start guide, which is like not even 3 pages long. So you can replace the tips on these, I didn't know that. that would make sense though, because on most graphics tablets you have to replace the tips every now and again. So that was the unboxing for, for the pencil. That felt really anticlimactic. Okay, hopefully that's a little better. It's a little bit dark on this side, but I don't think it will matter too much. So this particular iPad, like I said, is the 256 model. You can also get it in 64, 512 and 1TB. So the 12.9 inch, as you can see, is quite a slim border. There is no home button, like I said. It weighs 631 grams. This is the Wi-Fi only model. Across is 280.6 millimeters or 11.04 inches. This side here is 214.9 millimeters or 8.46 inches, and then width, holy crap, it's tiny, so it's only 5.9 millimeters, which is 0.23 of an inch. You have 4-speaker audio, so you've got the 2 speakers at the bottom and then the 2 speakers on top. Also on top you have microphones, and you've obviously got your on-off button. On this side you've got the volume up and down, the magnetic connector, your nano SIM tray if you have one will be here as well, and then there's the smart connector at the back just there. So this is a liquid retina display, 273 by 2084 pixels at 264 pixels per inch. The fingerprint resistant oliphobic coating. I don't know, but I can still see fingerprints there. Yeah, it's not great, but I don't know how a screen protector would be and how it would affect the pen. It's got anti-reflective coating and 1.8% reflectivity, which I think like right now you can really see that coming out the light. I've just moved to over here. You can still see it, but it's not as bright as it has been with other things I've recorded on screens. The chip inside is the A12X Bionic chip with 64-bit architecture. It is kind of, at the event, was dubbed as like almost as powerful as a MacBook. Time will tell, I don't know. The camera at the back, if anyone's interested, please, I hope that no one does this, because I do see people doing it and I'm just like, why would you hold up an iPad to take a picture? It is pretty good. It's a 12 megapixel f1.8, f1.8 even. It has 5 times digital zoom. Video recording as well, 4K at 30 frames or 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30 or 60 as well, and 720. Slow-mo support at 1080, 120 frames per second, and 720 and 240 frames per second. To be honest, I don't think the people that this is marketed for will really care about that. Obviously it has Face ID built in, so you set that up. It's just kind of an overview of some of the main features. You might be wondering how we pair this now, because it's not got the end connector on it. So if we do this, is it that side? No, it's the other side. Lol. Just like that, magnetically attaches. There you go. Would you like to use this pencil with your iPad? Yes, I would. Okay. Double tap, that is awesome. I tried it out in the shop today, so I think that should be us connected. Let's try it, shall we? Oh yeah. So let's go into notes, since this is the only kind of thing I have on here right now that supports any type of drawing. You put your hand on the screen, obviously it doesn't pick it up. In order to change the pencil type, you double tap, so you can see it changing at the bottom of the screen there. There we go. Double tap, back to drawing. So this is going to be a really shoddy performance. So again, double tap, gone. Incredible. I love it. I'm so glad I waited for it. And it doesn't have to be on like the notch side either. It can be anywhere kind of on the bottom of the pencil that you tap to change it. Oh gosh, how do I do A's upside down? Oh dear. iPad. Well, that looks like iPod. Let's not go back to that generation, shall we? Or should we? That was an alright generation. That's it. And we just... voila! It's not charged, so I'll need to charge it. Yeah, that's everything you need to see, I think. If anyone has any questions or anything, I'd be more than happy to try and answer them. I'm not an expert or anything. And just one word is awesome. No other word explains it. So if you're thinking about getting one, if you've been contemplating it for a while, you will not be disappointed. It's just such a dream. I love the pressure sensitivity. I love how it responds. I love the other iPads, but it's just, this one's just incredible. Like, I'm so glad I waited. So glad. So you can go really hard, or you can go pencil and go really light. I did look at other options for this, but there's just no alternative. Like, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Actually, what kind of sold me was like the colouring app, which is so ridiculous because I probably wouldn't even use it that much, but get rid of all that guff. So if you've decided to purchase a new iPad or you already have an existing one, please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to be notified about all our latest videos. Just now we have built our PC, yay! So the kind of build videos are still in the works kind of thing. We need to film some more stuff, but it is actually completely finished, the machine. So those will be going up actually probably pretty soon, and we will see you real soon. Bye! So if you haven't